Then I decided to do this because girls like me are around the world, and my religion and my everything, and they shine to tell the truth. But when they see me, they will gonna tell the truth one day. So there's so many guys who just make fake relationship and make you in love. Then one of the night I was with him, like our relationship was 3 months, and then he came to my home one of the night, and then he put my juice some drug, and after that he raped me.
He spiked some, a juice?
Yeah, he put some drugs on juice, and then after he raped me, he cut us. He told me, I'm not sure, but he put the video, and then after a couple days he called me and he told me, like, I have a video on you. If you don't do whatever I said you to do, I will show everybody. And then I feel shy and ashamed, and I beg him not to do that. And then after that, I was with him by force, and anytime he came around the cities, he called me and say, like, you have to come to me, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and he did a lot of blackmailing and trading me, everything. And then I did. After that, then he called me and told me, like, if you don't do anything, I will gonna send you pictures, everything, and everybody. Sometimes he bring his friends with him to my home and asking me to do everything they wanted. I refused one night, and then after that night, he come the small shop I own in 24 Mall in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and then he give to everybody my pictures. And when the people guys, they call him and ask him, like, send us that picture, and he asked them, if you have $5, I will gonna do for you that. Then he start to sell the pictures on my naked body. Actually, as I told you, Somali people, they don't support the women that much. They support the guys because they think, like, if the girl do one mistake, they can do other mistakes. So they believe, like, if one guy said, like, that girl is bad, all of them they say she's bad. So that's what their culture. They don't even marry that woman for the future time, for the sake of this guy lying to this. So that's what happened.
So after he forced you and you complied to do what he requested, he ended up putting everything on the internet anyways.
Yeah, that's what happened.
And because you were shamed...
Not only the internet, even his cell phone, he was selling the pictures, sending the others.
And how did you find out that it was out there?
Because he was selling in front of my store and in front of the mall. For the public, he was not scaring anybody. Even I called the police and asked them to come. And then when they come, they ask him a couple questions and say, stay away from here. And they told me, stay away from him, and they left. And after that, I called them back and I said, he's sending my pictures, my private parts for everybody. What you guys can do about that? He told me, that's big criminal, just contact to the court. We don't know nothing.
What did the police say?
They said, there's big criminal, so we can't do nothing right now. Go to the restraining order and just do something else. I don't know. They didn't do anything that much.
So then you ended up
drinking bleach and killing myself, suicide myself.
And was that because of the shame?
Because of the shame, and you know, our community, they believe, like, I'm a bad person, this guy is nice, married man, and he, like, I'm the one who is losing the dignity and everything. I don't go anywhere. I just stay home for the sake of that thing.
Now that you're coming out public, do you think you're going to hear from him, or do you feel threatened that...
No, now actually I decided I'm not scared in anything right now. I'm ready to tell everything to the world.
And do you think that there's other people, they're using other women and girls?
Yes. He have a lot of naked girls in his phone.
He does?
Yes, he do. A lot.
Are they minors?
A lot of girls, I have no idea why don't they talk, but they look like teenagers, like 17, 16, and 18. They all younger than me.
Now, do you think any of these people are possibly used for
having sex with other girls?
Yes.
Like they have the pictures. Then if you don't do what they wanted, they will gonna show the people your pictures. So it's good for you to make it private and do for him everything he wanted. That's what they have the pictures. That's their main point.
Now, how are you being treated now? Now that
People
the pictures are out there.
Differently, and they keep calling me and call me names, all Somali people. I can't say all Somali people or bad peoples. They call me and just saying me or calling me bad names. They call me like, you deserve it to die, you know, or to leave the world because you don't deserve to live here. That's what they're saying.
And why are they saying that? Because of what?
Because you are a prostitute. You did that, you did this, you know, and everybody likes me to die.
Can you explain a little of the woman's culture in
Somali?
In Somali?
Actually, the main important is Somali people believe woman's dignity is not to have a sex before marriage, and if she did and the guy tell everybody, she can get married again. That's what they believe. And some guys, they do like, they want you, if you say no, they do like, they tell everybody that they had sex with you, blah 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 blah, something like that, and then nobody marry you because of what they said. So actually the girls, most of them, they have this abuse, but they don't help. They don't show up. I don't know why. I like to say this. If the Somali girls, like, they are the most important women in the world. I know all Somali women are smart and they like to be something. But there is something holding them back, because if they do what they wanted, they will get a lot of shameful stuff. So technically it's abuse thing, part of abuse. That's what I believe. He's telling my name, my store number, my address, and even my phone number for everybody. And he have a conference room in Baltok, you know, Baltak, the Baltok conference room. The people meet.
Where's that?
It's over the phone.
Oh.
He owned one of the rooms, conference rooms, and he tells like everybody like.
I've never heard of that. That's the first time I've heard of that.
Yes, you go to the phone and it's kind of 218 number, and then when you go there, you're gonna hit like number, and there is a lot of Somali people. You guys introduce each other and talking all day. Some people, they stay there all of 24 hours.
Wow.
Then he tell everybody like, she's this, she's this, she's this. And I feel ashamed. And he gives my phone number people who even don't know me and they never met me. No, actually, I was very angerful. So I did that for angrily, not for madly or something happened to my mind. It was like kind of something. I was very, very mad at him, and I was very ashamed and embarrassing for this thing happening. That's why I drank the bleach.
And thank goodness you're still with us so that you can stand up and speak up for these women to stop this.